Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ranika and today I'm going to be preparing for you guys some banana fritters. So if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. So here I have some overripe bananas and I'm going to use them to make some banana fritters. So guys, when you have your bananas and they're overripe, don't throw them out. You can make banana fritters, you can make pancake, you can make a lot of things with your overripe bananas. So now I have 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1/4 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar if that's your choice, but I'm going to use granulated sugar. So now we're just gonna get a clean pan and you're gonna peel your bananas just like so, and you're gonna put them in your pan. I have like 7 bananas, but I'm only going to use about 5 of them. I'm not going to use all the 7. I'm going to use the other 2 to make me some smoothie. So now we're going to crush our bananas. So we're going to use a fork, a whisk, or anything that you have that you can use to crush the bananas. So after you finish crushing your banana, now you're going to add some of the other ingredients. You're going to add the sugar first, and then we're going to mix to combine the sugar and the banana together. I'm not going to crush the banana all out because I want to taste a little bit of that banana when I'm eating my fritters. So I'm going to leave some of the banana in it. So those lumps that you're seeing in some of the banana, I'm not going to crush it all out. So now we're going to add our vanilla essence. So we're just going to pour that in and mix it also. Then we're going to add our cinnamon powder and our nutmeg powder. So now we're going to add our flour. I'm not going to add all at once. I'm going to add like a cup first and some of the water, and then I'm going to add the next cup with the rest of the water. So this is how it should be looking, guys. We don't want it too thick and we don't want it too thin. So now it's time to cook. We're gonna get our pan with some oil. You're gonna cook this on medium low. You don't want your flames to be too high because you don't want it to burn before it is cooked, and you're also not going to overcrowd the pan. You're gonna give it some space so they could cook properly. So now I'm just gonna turn them over on the other side. Yes guys, this is how it should be looking, but we're gonna keep on turning it until it is golden brown and finish cooking. So this is it now guys. This is our banana fritters finished cook and ready to serve. I'm also going to get some paper towels to rest them on, so the paper towel will absorb all that extra oil that is dripping. So this is my banana fritters guys. Don't forget to like, comment, tell me what you think about my banana fritters. See you in the next video.